Namaste children, welcome back to another session of our block 9 digestion. So in LP1 of our digestion block we completed different organs playing a role in digestion. Yes, and in LP2 we had seen the role of tongue, teeth and saliva on food materials, and LP3 we came to know the complete process of digestion and the role of various organs like your stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver, pancreas in digestion process. So now in LP4 we are going to learn about different healthy eating habits. Okay, how much important it is digestion to our body, that much important to follow the healthy eating habits also. So both are equally important. So today's in our LP4 we are going to learn about healthy eating habits. Okay, so the main focus of our today's class is to learn some eating habits that can keep our digestive system healthy. If the digestive system is healthy, we are also healthy. So basically in our today's class we are going to learn about healthy eating habits. In our class we are going to learn some keywords. The first keyword, that is glumping. Glumping means swallowing a large amount of food or drinking water very quickly.
Gulping. Swallowing a large amount of food or drink quickly.
Now the second keyword we are going to learn, that is diarrhea. Diarrhea means it is a disease in which solid waste it is sent out frequently from the body in a liquid form.
Diarrhea. A disease in which solid waste is sent out of the body frequently and in a liquid form.
Yes, it's a diseased condition where the solid waste, fecal matter, like a liquid, it will go frequently from the body. Such a diseased condition we are saying as a diarrhea. Okay, so now here you are having some flashcards, that is eating vegetables, salads and fruit regularly, watch television and eat for hours, eat a lot of chocolates, deep fried food regularly, play and exercise regularly, like that you are having 10 flashcards. Now after listening the video we are going to do this activity, that out of these flashcards which are healthy eating habits, which are not, we are going to write here. So basically to understand which are healthy eating habits and which are not, first let us watch a small video.
Healthy eating habits keep our digestive system healthy. Eating natural food eases digestion. Exercising regularly strengthens muscles of digestive system. Eating clean food prevents upset stomach. Eating food on time keeps digestive organs healthy.
So healthy eating habits, like first of all, cleaning the vegetables and fruits before eating is one of the most important healthy habit we all should follow, because in agriculture lesson we had seen that so many chemicals we are using for doing agriculture purpose. So when you are washing these vegetables and fruits, all the chemicals and the dust particles that are present on them are completely washed off. Now the second eating habit, that is having a lot of fruits and vegetables in the food, because these fruits and vegetables, they are containing fibrous food material that are called your roughages, which always and always helps to easily digest our food materials. That means they will keep our digestive system clean by easy digestion. Now the third eating habit, that is your eat food on time. So eating food at a regular time every day, it is a very good eating habit, because when you are following eating food on time, it promotes the juices to secrete exactly on time. And the last but not least, that is exercising every day, which is exercising every day, it keeps our muscles very strong, that enhances the rate of, enhances means promotes the rate of digestion. So these are some of the healthy eating habits that each and everyone should follow in their day to day life, so that our digestive system will be clean, active and healthy, leads to a healthy life. Okay, so now let us complete our activity, where as we came to know what are the healthy eating habits, now here these flashcards we are going to mention which one is the healthy eating habit and which is not. So to write that, first one, eat vegetables, salads and fruits regularly. If it is a healthy eating habit, we are going to write H here. If it is not, we will write UH, unhealthy habit. So eating vegetable salads and fruits regularly is one of the best healthy eating habits. So it is H. Watching television and eat for hours, very bad habit. So unhealthy habit. Now play and exercise regularly, this is also very much important because it strengthens our muscles and digestive system. Chew food enough number of times before swallowing, so that food will become into smaller particles and become so moist, mixes with the saliva, so that you can digest the food easily. So it's also a healthy habit. Skip at least one meal per day. Will you skip? No, you should not, because it is unhealthy habit. Eat a lot of chocolates, deep fried items too regularly, this is also very bad habit, because these deep fried items, they contains fats, oils a lot. It takes a lot of time for the digestion of fats, so this is also one of the unhealthy habit. Okay, eat without distractions like television and tablets, absolutely. Yes, glump the food after chewing one only once when you will chew, and you will glump it at a time. If you will swallow it, you cannot take it properly and digestion won't occur in a healthy manner, so it's also unhealthy habit. Wash and clean foods before eating, very good habit it is. Eat regular time intervals at correct time on the day, this is also one of the healthy habit. So now you came to know what are healthy habits and what are unhealthy habits. So now let us complete. Yes, let us try to understand why are some are healthy and some are unhealthy eating habits. Because eating natural foods like your vegetables and fruits, chewing the food properly, these are considered as the healthy eating habits. Glumping the food without chewing it, eating for hours while watching TV, skipping the meals, all these are considered as unhealthy habits. How do good eating habits help the digestive system? So how the good eating habits will help the digestive system? That will make easy to digest the food and keeps our digestive system healthy. So if you will see the fruits like your fruits, vegetables, grains, pulses, they are having a lot of fiber in them. That's what we are calling it as a roughages. So these roughages are always helpful in the removal of solid waste from the body easily. And even if you are following the exercise and playing every day, it's also one of the good healthy habit, so that our digestive system will become so strong and muscles also become so strengthened that the rate of digestion enhances. Okay, how can eating sugar and deep fried food items are harmful to our digestive system? Because these sugar and deep fried food items, they contains a lot of fats in them. Like teeth case we read, if the candy, chocolates, carbonated drinks, if they are sticking to the teeth, they will damage our tooth and it leads to tooth decay. Yes, so that's what, they are not good. And even if you will if it is a tooth decay, it's very difficult for us to chew the food properly. And even deep fruit items, if you will take, they are having a lot of fats in them, and if that is a lot of fats, it feels a gasiness in the stomach and they will take a lot of time for the digestion process. Okay children, so now let us complete our worksheet. So in the worksheet, now they are asking us to take the healthy food habits. Eating fruits and vegetables, healthy one. Eating chocolates, no. Eating burgers, fries and colas, this is also an unhealthy habit. drinking milk products and eating eggs, one of the good healthy habit. Okay, so now if you will see the second question, that is complete the table. Yes, here if you will see, okay, drinking enough water, how this action will help the digestive system. If you are drinking enough water, it helps. How this drinking enough water action, it is helping us. So if you will see this drinking enough water, it makes our digestion very easy. It means it helps in the easy digestion of food material. The second one, if you will see exercise regularly, it strengthens our muscle. Okay, along with strengthening the muscle, it even keeps our digestive system healthy. Yes, the last one, cleaning and washing fruits. If you are cleaning and washing fruits, it is removing the dirt and chemicals present on them. Okay, so now let us see the third question. So in this third question, if you will see, Janet likes to eat fried food items most meals. How can this affect the Janet's digestive system? These fried food items contains a lot of fats in them, which take longer times for the digestion process, and the stomach always feels a gassiness and harms the stomach. Gassy stomach you will feel. In that way, it is harmful to the Janet's digestive system. Okay, children, after completing this particular worksheet, now let us move to the practice questions of our textbook. Yes, so in these practice questions, if you will see, sort the food items as healthy and unhealthy habits. So eating burgers, it is an unhealthy habit. Fruits, it's a healthy habit. Eating fish is a healthy habit. French fries, again it's a unhealthy habit. Write down 2 healthy eating habits and how they keep our digestive system healthy. You are having enough, like cleaning the vegetables, washing the vegetables before cooking or before eating, eating enough vegetables and fibrous food that helps in the easy digestion and easy removal of fecal matter. Yes, exercising regularly, like that. Any 2 healthy eating habits you can pick up, and how that is helpful to our digestive system you can write. Eating too much candies, ice creams and chocolates, not exercising regularly can affect our health. Give reasons. If you are eating too much candy and chocolates, they will stick to the teeth and it leads to tooth decay. If the teeth are damaged, then it is very difficult to chew the food material. Yes, and if you are not exercising regularly, our digestive system won't become active, it won't strengthen the muscles. Okay, so after listening this video, children, complete your worksheet and practice questions from the textbook. Thank you.